Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So pretty clear signal that is brewing at the moment. That is the break, and you can see we've broken below 108076, and that would be the retest. I'm a little bit concerned about this diversions. You can see prices running lower, but oscillators are running higher. So that is bullish diversion. So you need to just keep that in the back of your mind. Looking at the 1 hour, that is the first area. Trend is clearly to the downside, so that's what you need to pay attention to. And then we have this scenario here, which we have rejected already, which is the 107833. So again, there is also bullish diversions brewing here on the hour. So I would be very cautious. It almost looks like we're going to have some kind of a squirt higher, and if that does happen, then we'd be looking for some better structure. So for me at the moment, this is a sit on hands, wait and see what transpires. If we do break above 107833, then I'd be paying attention to this area here at 108076. See if we can get some kind of rejection off there. There is a little bit of a gap to the highest, to the upside here, and in my books that gap is still open, so that's another opportunity at 108237. Those are the scenarios that I'd be waiting to see if we reject. If we reject them, take the trade on the bar, that the break of the bar that actually did the rejection. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and we're on a tear up today. And yeah, we're going to have to do this on the hour. There's nothing really else we can do. You're looking for, now there's the closest bit of structure at the moment. So yeah, for me, this bus has left the station. There's nothing really here. We need to wait for some structure or some pullback. So this is a really strong move. I'm very hesitant to jump in this late in a move like this, especially when the oscillators look like that. So you either need to wait for a flag to form and then a break of the flag and a continuation, or you need to wait for some kind of a pullback. And if you see the pullback happening, you probably see it on the 15-minute, to be quite honest. And you can see there's the levels that you would be paying attention to. So those two factors would be the area. So pull back into 127971 or alternatively 127817. Those would be the only opportunities that would be on offer. But being on the 15-minute, I'd be a little bit hesitant. There's also a gap here, so pay attention to that as well. That could upset the apple cart. But we're far away from the moving averages, so this is, for me, just stay well away from it until we come back to some structure. You can see how we're going parabolic as well, which is never a good sign. Okay, moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, pretty much the same picture going on here. I'd be looking for pullbacks onto one of those two areas. So if we get down here, you can see there's today's move, gap down at the bottom here. Look at the oscillators all grouped the upside. I'd want to see a pullback into this area before even paying attention. Same picture here. You'll probably see structure on the 15-minute if you're really looking to trade it. And there's the closest bit of structure, which is there, and that is 166069. For me, another clear sit on hands. The move has already happened, and these gaps to the downside do worry me. There's quite a few of them on the 15. Look at this. There's its opening gap, and then there's all these gaps as well. So yeah, be very, very cautious here. I'm reluctant to jump in blind once a move has gone like that. It's gone parabolic as well. You can see nice, gentle, well-structured uptrend, and then all of a sudden we break trend lines on the upside. Sorry, not that. We want that level. And you can see there's a sort of a top of the channel that was formed, and now we just shoot above it. More than likely going to come back into this channel. So just saying that's draw your channel in. Maybe it does make sense for a pullback to 165.445. And lastly, Euro British Pound. So last week we kind of rejected the moving averages and we continued to the downside. So I'd want to see some kind of structure, retest, and that to me at the moment is up here at 083077. And if we drop down to the 1 hour, you'll see lots of consolidation here. Bear in mind the consolidation is because this is a massive weekly and monthly area of support. So what you're looking for is a move back up, and you can see the 155 EMA is right here. So 083077 would be the area I'd be wanting to short off. Also bear in mind that the trend line has broken here, so it'd have to be a 1 hour rejection of this level before I'd be interested in it. Other than that, I'm not interested in jumping in short down here. There's just too much going on. There's a gap here, which is a magnet, but this area of support, if you look at the left on the red line, have a look at that. That is a really strong area of support. But also bear in mind there is a big weekly gap to the downside here, which is acting as a magnet right now. So if we can get moving, that would be a great target, 081027. And looking at the weekly oscillators, that is possible. Trend is down, you should be looking to sell this, but you really need to keep your wits about you. I think it's quite volatile in this zone. So this is a sit on hands for me, unless we have a decent bounce to the upside. And I'd actually extend it a little bit further as well, up to 083198. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.